Hello everyone, I'm Baby. We've built our Airline Ontology. Now the big question is, how does AI plug into this? That's called AIP, Palantir's Artificial Intelligence Platform. And today, I'll show you how it works. From Palantir stocks, AIP connects AI with your data and operations. It's designed to drive automation across operational processes, providing tools that can be used by everyone. There are three things to unpack. First, AIP doesn't replace Foundry. It sits on top of it. Foundry handles data integration and the ontology. AIP adds the AI layer, such as LLMs, agents, workflows. Second, AIP works with multiple LLMs, GPT-4, cloud, open source models. You pick per usage. Third, and this is the key, AIP connects AI to the ontology. The AI reads typed objects, follows links, understands properties, and through action types it can write back, all governed and audited. Together with Foundry and Apollo, AIP forms what Palantir calls an operating system for AI-driven products. AIP has 5 core builder tools presented as propagation, from simple to complex, from manual to automated. First is called AIP threads. It's the starting point. Think ChatGPT connected to your Foundry data. Drag and drop documents and you can ask questions. It is great for ad hoc analysis, but not reusable. Second, AIP Agent Studio for reusable AI agents. An agent has a system prompt defining its role, context from ontology objects and documents, and tools it can call, such as action types, functions, and clarification requests. And application state variables. Number 3, AIP Logic. It's a no-code AI functions, providing a no-code environment for LLM-powered functions, from input to blocks, such as chain operations, and to outputs. And the AIP Evals for testing and trust. We write test cases for logic functions, compare models, and examine variance across runs. Then we can export the results for analysis. It is critical for production, and you can prove it works. Lastly, AIP automation. It closes the loop. It can connect logic functions to triggers. This is the flow for the Agent Studio plus AIP logic. And now let's take a look at how AI reads the ontology. There are 3 context sources in the Agent Studio: ontology context, document context, and custom function-backed context. The ontology context specifies object types and properties. The document context consists of PDFs chunked and embedded for semantic search. And the custom function-backed context is TypeScript retrieval for advanced cases like multi-object type search. And for security, AI only sees what the current user has the permission to see. And how does AI write to the ontology? AIP writes through the same action types. AI doesn't write raw SQL. It calls a governed action with defined parameters, rules, permissions, and audit logging. In Agent Studio, apply action tool, and in the logic, the apply actions in the use LLM block. The key insight here is AI actions go through the same governance layer as human actions. And now let's take a look at the automation ladder. Tier 1, ad hoc. Tier 2, reusable agent. It's deployed in workshop and it's human-driven. Tier 3, agent with tools. There are stages actions for human approval. Tier 4, automated with review. Tier 5, fully autonomous. Most enterprises start at Tier 2. AIP gives every run. Ontology provides governance at every tier. Lastly, let's take a look at an end-to-end example. A sensor on N1234 reports anomaly, then the data flows to Ontology as alert object. Then automate triggered fires. And then the logic function reads alert and history, and the LLM recommends grounding. Then proposal staged for the fleet manager, and the manager sees AI reasoning workshop and then approves. After that, the action fires, status changes, task created, team notified, and webhook updates scheduling. Together, everything logged in the action log. So during this flow, the data flows in, the AI reasons, the human decides, and actions execute, and everything is governed. To sum up, AIP connects LLMs to the ontology through 5 tools: Threads, Agent Studio, Logic, Evals, and Automate. AI reads via context, AI writes via governed actions. In the next video, we'll talk about workshop, building the operational applications. Thank you for watching, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.